From N5 to JLPT N4, this is lesson number 7. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern, てしまう, which has two meanings. 1. To finish doing something completely. You can use てしまう when you finish something or do it fully. For example, I finished reading all the manga. 漫画を全部読んでしまった。The action is complete. That's why you can use this grammar pattern, てしまう. This is て form plus しまう. Since this is past tense, it's しまった instead. Second meaning is this, oops, unfortunately, regret or accident. You can also use てしまう when something happened by mistake, or you feel regret. For example, I accidentally broke the cup. コップを割ってしまった。Once again, this is て form plus しまう. So this is like, oh my god, oops, unfortunately feeling.Of course you don't want to break the cup, but you broke it. Oh my god, I broke the cup. That kind of nuance. You can express that with てしまう, this grammar pattern. So, the grammar format is very simple. Use て form and then add しまう. しまう is casual. Politely you can say しまいます. Now I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. I finished doing all my homework. 宿題を全部やってしまった。て form plus しまう together it means you finished doing everything. So, やって is the て form of a verb やる meaning to do. This is a casual version of する. する is neutral, but やる is more casual. I accidentally broke my computer.パソコンを壊してしまった。Once again, て form plus しまう. This time it indicates the feeling of regret, that something regrettable happens. 壊して is the て form of a verb 壊す to break. So て form plus しまう together.You accidentally broke your computer. Third one, I lost my keys. 鍵をなくしてしまいました。なくして is the て form of なくす to lose something. And you accidentally lost your keys. Like, oh my god, I lost my keys. That feeling.You can express that with てしまう grammar format. Last one, I dropped my wallet somewhere. どこかに財布を落としてしまった。落として is the て form of 落とす to drop something. And you accidentally dropped your wallet. Of course you don't want to, but you dropped it.Like, oh my god, I dropped my wallet. So that kind of nuance. You can express that with てしまう. Now I will read the sentence, so please repeat after me. 宿題を全部やってしまった。パソコンを壊してしまった。鍵をなくしてしまいました。 どこかに財布を落としてしまった。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. I will check and collect your homework. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me anytime, and I will be very happy to answer your questions. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。